Okay.
The tester. See,
Ventilation.
packing quality is good. This one earphone if you are working in noisy area.
Yes.
And this one tester. This one toner. This one tester master. So we will add battery here.
Battery. 9 volts.
9 volt battery.
Aneng.
9 volt battery. Connect this. This one.
From China?
Yes. No. This company Aneng M469A. Packing is very good.
Maybe okay this one. You have light? Plus light?
Yes. So we'll add another battery.
Stay.
It's ready.
Power.
This
light.
one LED. And
Try that one.
uh,
Don't resell, try.
okay. This one cable RJ45.
This one for the split.
So here it is come.
Volume. Hold.
The volume. Okay. So you can make it this one flashing light. Make it stop if you want to test this continuity.
Right.
So
Scan.
we'll put on test. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Yes. This is the cable.
Pass no, pass. Scan out.
Huh? First, scanning is tracing cable. This one here for another
Okay.
test. See?
And the cable is okay.
Mhm.
Complete light.
Yes. Here is earphone. So this tester look like very good. If
This one is
we have
better.
lens tester, so we can test this also. We put on the scan. See signal.
This one is better.
Aywa. See signal. Aywa. This one. Aywa. Very good. See, you can see here green signal. See, I press this, no signal. Yes. This one cable. Okay.
This one is good.
So it's working. Our test is good. Alhamdulillah. We'll test on network switch also. Inshallah, we'll show you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Cable tester. Multifan. Aneng. Aneng mga ka-DJ, mga ka-listeners.
M469A. This one receiver. This
Wire
one
to the cell. Master. I will try tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You have cable here. Long cable. Sting.
This
No
one
light?
also.
Ang kauban, ka-DJ, sa trabaho. Partner. Okay, kalas.